A loose door hinge can be fixed quickly and reliably with a few targeted repairs that transfer load to solid wood behind the jamb. First, remove the hinge screws and inspect the screw holes and the jamb surface for stripped or crushed wood. If the holes are intact, replace the shortest screw on the hinge leaf that sits closest to the screw side of the door with a longer 2.5-inch general purpose screw, so it penetrates the door frame and into the wall stud behind it for structural support. If a hole is stripped, fill it with wood glue and matchstick or toothpick bundles packed tightly into the hole until closed, then trim flush and let the glue cure before driving the screw back in. For larger voids, use a hardwood dowel with glue or a wood filler rated for structural repair and re-drill a pilot hole so the screw bites cleanly. Tighten all hinge screws progressively using a manual screwdriver rather than a power tool so you do not strip the new threads. And check the door swing between adjustments until it closes without rubbing. If the jamb is badly damaged, consider using a hinge reinforcement plate or replacing the hinge with an upsized model and long screws to distribute load across the plate and deeper into framing. 3 common mistakes are using only short original screws that fail to reach framing, overdriving screws with a drill which strips the hole, and relying on filler alone without ensuring the screw engages solid wood. To avoid the first, always swap the lower screw nearest the screw side to a 2.5-inch general purpose screw that reaches the stud. To avoid stripping by power tools, start with a small pilot hole and finish with a hand screwdriver so you feel the screw bite. If filler alone is used and the problem recurs, upgrade to a dowel or reinforcement plate so the hardware bears on solid material, not just filler. BigHomeProjects.com connects homeowners with local contractors and a discussion community where we share practical repair tips like these and local contractor recommendations. We help contractors find work by listing projects and connecting them with homeowners who are actively looking for help.